In 2025, science's biggest breakthrough isn't a flashy new gadget, it's an explosive surge in renewable energy. Since the Industrial Revolution, modern society has been powered mainly by fossil fuels pulled from underground coal, oil, and natural gas. But this year, renewables surpassed coal as a source of electricity worldwide. And here's the mind-blowing part. Just from January to June, solar and wind grew fast enough to cover the entire increase in global electricity use. In other words, global demand did rise, but the extra electricity we needed was essentially filled in by new solar and wind. Now, this comes at a time when the outlook still feels heavy. At the UN climate meeting in November, the message was that global carbon emissions continue to creep up, and countries have not met the cuts promised under the 2015 Paris Agreement. Limiting warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius now looks almost completely out of reach. And yet, renewables are creating a different kind of hope. The article points out that China now dominates global production of renewable technologies. It makes about 80% of the world's solar cells, 70% of wind turbines, and 70% of lithium batteries, and at prices no competitor can match. Once renewables become a global industrial product, their growth isn't driven mainly by slogans, it's driven by supply chains, skill, and price. Falling costs have directly propelled a surge in solar and wind that's outpacing every other energy source. And this figure helps visualize that shift. Renewable sources together generated more electricity this year than coal. The speed is almost hard to believe. In 2004, it took the world a full year to install 1 gigawatt of solar power capacity. Today, twice that amount goes online each day. Something that used to take a year can now be reached in about half a day. And the most important change is the motivation shift. Choosing renewables used to feel like paying extra to be greener. Now it's largely a practical decision. Lower costs and greater energy security. That shift in incentives is exactly why renewables earned the title of 2025's breakthrough, because it suggests this turning point is just the beginning.